Hello KG class, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine. This is your GK class and I am going to brief you about some vegetables. So come and meet some vegetables. Vegetable for you. Okay. So you have to learn all these names. Do you like garden? So come and let's see some vegetables in this garden. Which vegetables are here? The first one is cabbage. Cabbage. Okay, and next one is tomatoes color is red. Tomato. Carrot. Here is carrot and its color is red. You also identify the color of vegetables. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Read it with me. Cauliflower. And here is peppers. This one is peppers. And next is turnip. This one is turnip. Come and read it with me. Turnip. Spinach. Okay, this one is spinach. Here is one more vegetable for you. Radish. Potatoes. This is potatoes. Potatoes color is brown. And next is peas. Which is this one? Pea. And its color is green. Next is onion. Here is onion. Next one is garlic. This one is garlic. Read it with me. Cucumber. Here is vegetable for you. Cucumber. Corn. You like to eat corn? This called corn. Cabbage, tomatoes, carrot, cauliflower, peppers, turnip, spinach. Let's open your book page number 4 to 42. Here you can see some vegetables are given here. First one is onion, potato, beans, carrot, peas, radish, spinach, cabbage and brinjal. So you have to say their names and trace their name. Okay, learn the spelling as well. Okay, do it. And on the next page here you can see, let's look at more vegetables. Say their name of these vegetables aloud with your teacher. First one is ladyfinger. Second is pumpkin, capsicum, beetroot, cauliflower and mushroom. Now here is activity for you. You have to take out stickers from the end of the book and then you have to paste sticker of spinach, potato, peas, carrot in sequence. Okay, do your work very carefully and take care of yourself. Goodbye. Wait for my next video. Allah Hafiz.